6, you're underpaid, underinsured, and a home repairman again. And today we're going to be going over a repair and replacement of Frigidaire water filter canister and oil rings and cup holder. So our refrigerator got too cold, everything iced up, and our water filter got froze. It ice all the way up in here and it's messed up the threads. I can't get it loose. And I decided to order a new part. I'm going to end up cutting this off for anatomy of a failure later on. So back to this. So, first things first, let's open them. Now I ordered these from, I believe, smallappliancerepair.com. They had good prices, pretty good shipping rate. The only complaint I had with them, they really didn't tell me whenever my stuff shipped, which kind of sucked. Nothing like coming home after 6 hours and finding your package on your front door. So it's a 3-piece kit. You got your O-ring. This is the housing, the filter. Your O-ring goes down in here. Like that. Oh, and you had to order this all separately because, you know, they got it in nickel and dime you. So, got my water filter. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that joker in. Alright, that's tight. Alright. Now I'm gonna show you some tools of the trade. Now, I'm gonna show you how to install this. You're gonna need to remove these screws. And the irony of these screws, they're metric, 1/4 or a quarter. And there's water quick connectors right here. And I didn't have a quite proper tool, so I used this window crank handle thing removed right here. Just popped it right here and popped it up. That really did the trick, but you can probably do it with like some butter knives. Just something in there to break the release loose. You don't want to break those. That's more fun. So what you do is you.
Alright,
This goes
Z66 coming over with the voiceover on this one. Because this was like one of my first videos I ever did with my GoPros. I didn't know about the sound pickup that was the greatest in the world. Case in point why the microphone was so useful for this channel. So thank you again, Matthew. You really helped save me on this video, or I would have had a whole video of nothing. Now, I had helmet footage of this, but I don't because it was bad. The angles were useless, so I just cut it straight out and we're gonna see the footage straight from the side. I know, not the greatest in the world, but it was back when I was literally just got these things, so I was learning. So, in the meantime, so what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be showing you how to attach this filter base. Now, the 2 screws, you do not have to get them super tight. This is just fiberglass. This is a car with fiberglass will break. You'll get leaks in your insulation. It's not good. So you just got to get them tight enough to work. That's what you need. Now here I am going in. And I'm using, I think it was a 7/16 screw. I said it earlier in the video. But, yeah. So when you put this together, make sure you put your O-ring at the bottom of the filter canister, then tighten it up, but not too tight. And you want to make sure you have the in and outlets pointing in the right direction, which is kind of impossible to mess it up, but I wouldn't be shocked if someone tried to install that backwards. And there's me putting I think that's the entrance line or maybe the return line. I can't remember. And those use little spring clips. You just gotta put like maybe a blade or a fork, something in there to break them loose, and they will pop right open. Pop right off. So, and then, you know, right there, I'm feeding the tubing back behind the little cover, so and I was just gonna go and say the tubing's easier to get back in when you don't have it completely bolted down, because it's just so hard to get at the angle, and it not being bolted down all the way gives you a little leeway. There's my big hairy arms, and apparently I decided not to put it in. Alright, this time I'm going for it. Let's see. Am I gonna get the screw in? Yes! And you could use a screwdriver if you want. If I remember correctly, these are Phillips slotted, but you know, the sockets, what I have makes my life so much easier. So, you know, that's what I generally go for. Or no, looking from the video, it doesn't look like it's slotted. And you're gonna see in a second that I don't have that back hose down all the way, and it's gonna shoot water. See, I thought I put it down. No, I messed up. So I'm gonna get it, you know, water all in the fridge. So, you know, I'm really good at this stuff sometimes. And you can see the water shooting out right now when I went to test it. By the way, it's always a good idea to test stuff before you completely put it back together, because, you know, I would hate to have to take all the trays out of the fridge again after I found out that there's one that didn't work. And you can see me fumble, finally decide to get in and block the camera view. Hey, there's my thinning hair, and I got it down all the way. It does not look like the other one's down all the way, but it actually is, because I came back after the fact, and it wasn't leaking, and I pushed it down some more, but that's as far as it goes there. I even popped the back one off, and it wouldn't go down anymore on its own. So, IDK. There's me feeding the tubes. Let's see, dead space. Come on, let's see some action. So how's everybody doing today? I hope things are going well with y'all. Alright, there's the cover that I tried to clean, but I could not get that green stuff off. I used bleach. I don't know what it was. I think it was a new form of life out of the primordial soup that made us. That cover was actually a huge pain in the butt to get back on there, because I didn't put the screw in the right place. See, it looks like it's in the right spot, but it's not. And you're just gonna see me spin, and get nowhere. I actually had to push it up much farther and get it angled a little better. But for the anytime, you're gonna watch me shuffle and try to get that in there. See, you can actually see the reflection of it on the top of the fridge. See right there? There we go. It seems to be making progress. Nope, maybe, yes, no. I don't know. It's real tricky to tighten things up. Am I right? Nope. Nope. Let's see. That's me trying to figure out how it's supposed to go. So, anyway. And by the way, I cannot find the website that I ordered this stuff or their email. I guess I accidentally deleted it. But they were pretty good. They were very reasonable price, reasonable shipping. Cheaper than buying directly from Frigidaire. I can tell you that. Woo, doggy. But, anyway. Nah, if I can ever find them again, I'll post it up there. But I literally can't find it. And I've looked through my statements, but I can't find where I bought it from on my credit card statements. So, I don't remember exactly when I bought these. Because I filmed this video months ago, and I've just now gotten around to fixing all the audio on it. In case it employs me well. But anyway, we're reaching near about the end of the video. But this is E66, your undertrained, underinsured, underpaid home repairman. And I want to thank you for watching this video and watching me struggle when I first got my GoPros. I discovered the sound quality is not the greatest thing, especially when you have those awesome cases on them. Yeah. Well, I hope this helps. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment below, and remember to tell everyone, your grandma, your mom, your dachshund, that, you know, I need your help to make this work. Alright, y'all have a good one. Bye-bye.